Alright guys, so let me go ahead and do an unboxing. I already opened the box because I guess it's not really an unboxing, huh? Anyway, I wanted to do a first impressions on my Stasher plastic free silicone sandwich type of bag, snack bag. I ordered it off of Amazon. It's pretty expensive, more expensive than the other sets that you find on Amazon. But the reason I liked it was because it's made out of silicone. The CEO is a woman, CEO/founder. And silicone, apparently, it's kind of like the same material that is used to make glass, but in a more plasticky consistency situation. And you're supposed to be able to microwave it, boil it, and freeze it without anything coming or leaching into the food. Now, I really wanted to buy the other cheaper sets because it came with more. The price of this alone, I could get like 12 other ones similar to the Ziploc kind of system. Because I wasn't going to be boiling them, or maybe freezing them, yes. But boiling, no. I probably won't stick them in the microwave. So I was really thinking of getting the more cheap version of the Stasher Ziploc bags. But then, I went onto the website. I really liked how they really are conscious of the environment. At the end of the day, if this type of material gets burned, it won't emit all of the toxins a plastic would emit, and it could be recycled. They will take it back to recycle it. And yeah, like I mentioned, glass is pretty good at being recycled. It can be reused an infinite amount of times, and this is made out of just that or similar items, I think. So it comes in this situation right here. And in the back, it tells you how you can cook it, freeze it, store it. Oh, it's dishwasher safe. I have a dishwasher, but I never use it. Freezer, you can put in the stove. That's crazy. Stove's top. Perfect for reheating leftovers. And it's woman owned. See, I just read. I like to be conscious of what will happen to the stuff I buy once I don't need it anymore. So sometimes I feel guilty about buying certain things, but this company seems really awesome, and I feel less guilty is what I'm trying to say, even though it's more expensive. So I got two exact same ones. The two seem the same. I'm gonna take this out. And for one of these, I believe I paid like $11.99 or $98. So pretty much $12, which is, again, pretty hefty. But I wanted something to put my sandwiches in, my snacks. I do commute a long way, and I try not to spend my money on fast food at work. So I like packing my snacks. Pretzels, carrots, cucumbers. It's good to put in my sandwiches as well, and it's lightweight. So normally for sandwiches, I carry the bread and then I carry the ingredients separately. And usually I use glass or a plastic Tupperware that I got from my parents or something like that. I've tried not to buy any plastic Tupperware since I moved into my house. But I just use what I have, napkins, plastic Tupperware, or glass. But glass Tupperware can be really heavy. So yeah, I feel like this is pretty good. Ooh, these are pretty thick. And again, I'm not trying to, throw them from above 10-story from a 10-story foot ceiling or anything. I'm not trying to set it on fire. So I think it's going to be pretty durable. This section here feels super thin, and obviously the outer edges super thick. I feel like stuff can get, it feels like stuff outside of it can get pretty attached to it. So I had some crumbs on my table, and now the crumbs are all over it. So this isn't as, what was that? Oh, my charger. This isn't as smooth as I thought it would be. It's kind of staticky almost. This side is a lot smoother. It's just sticky and stuff. But I feel like it's gonna be durable and it's gonna last a good while. And this is the color. These are the colors that I chose because I guess they can get stained, but they mentioned on the website that you can mix baking soda and vinegar to remove the stains. Just soak it in that mixture, and I use baking soda and vinegar all the time to clean around the house, so I think I'll be good. I'm gonna show my mom and I'm gonna see if she likes them so I can buy some for her. Here also with these sandwich ones, you can't really open them that much is what I noticed. Look, but I guess that's so that this section right here doesn't come apart as easily like in the regular Ziploc bags. You know how the edges, you can rip them off or rip them apart really easily. I guess that's why these don't open up that much. But yeah, these are my first impressions. I think I love them. Yeah, it's pretty good. I've been trying to spend my money on things that I know will last, instead of trying to save money and buying things that I don't really want or will be throwing them away eventually, causing damage to the planet. So like, just, you know, you're getting 5% cash back, just buy it. Don't buy stuff just for the cash back, you guys. In here, overall, I'm really happy with the purchase, even though it was super expensive. Again, it's just mostly the guilt of buying something. You know, eventually you're gonna have to get rid of it. Even though I feel like this will last me, these will last me a long time. Mark my words, today is October 14th, 2019. Let's see how long they will last me. But yeah, I really like them. I'm really happy with the purchase. I'm glad I bought them. And only one came in this plastic bag thing, but I'm okay with that. I'm gonna take this to my local Target because some Targets have those little bins where you can recycle your plastic bags. So I like to save these. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I have the website linked down below. Bye.